Carol Taylor. Carol, you have one parking ticket on Gay Street. Parking in a prohibited area. Is there anything you want to tell me about this?
I don't have no parking tickets. I don't even have a car. I don't know how I got a parking ticket.
Were you standing in an area where you weren't supposed to stand?
No. No.
Carol, have you registered a car for someone else?
My son a long time ago.
His car's registered to you?
A long time ago, yeah.
Well,
But they're saying that this is on a Honda. I never registered a Honda.
Relax. Let me ask you a couple of questions, okay?
All right, go ahead.
All right. Oh, Carol, it appears to me that you registered this car.
I don't remember. I really don't.
Yeah. This is for a relative of yours?
No, I never registered no Honda.
Well, you indicated before that you registered a car.
I registered, I told you what kind of car. A Lexus.
For whom? For whom?
My son, Gerald.
Yeah. I think your son got you to sign for another one.
No.
Well, it's in your name, it's your date of birth, it's your address.
I asked the Providence police if I could, put a, what do you call it? For stealing it? Somebody stealing the plates. I asked if they could get the plates, and they said I had to see you first. You know, put a thing on the plate. But I don't remember. I really don't. A Honda. I never registered a Honda. I want to know who got the plate and who's using it. 'Cause I don't know who got it. I never seen it. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Carol, I'm going to assess a fine of $30. I think you better talk this over with your son and tell him he owes you $30. At the end of the day, you're going to find that your son has this car registered in your name. And I think, you know...
My son, I talked to my son yesterday before I came here. He said he doesn't have that. He never had a Honda.
Yeah. It's $30.
It's difficult to tell people you don't believe them. It's an assault on someone when you say, I didn't say specifically, I don't believe you, but my judgment is that I'm not buying your story. And that's a tough thing for me to do. Because in many ways, you know, she's a mother and she was there for her son, and I've had countless cases where parents come in and they make all kinds of excuses for their children because they're overprotective, and many times that's the reason why kids have difficulty. I'm not casting any aspersions on this woman. She appears to be a nice woman, but it still bothers me.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Yeah, I almost don't know what to do with this because at first I thought I was going to get a warning, but then when I received a ticket, I told the policeman, well, I don't know if I can afford the $50 because I'm on Social Security. I have limited income. And he says, well, take it to court and plead not guilty and you'll knock it down to 5. So I'm not really sure what to do. I want to do the right thing, but I can't afford the $50. I felt like I was singled out a little bit.
You were singled out a little bit?
Well, I don't know if I worded that correctly, but felt like I was singled out, and I thought I was going to get a warning, but he gave me a $50 ticket.
What did he say to you?
Well, let me see some ID.
Boy, you have to have ID to smoke a cigarette.
Yeah, I was waiting between buses. I got off of one bus. I didn't know where to go, like when you have a 5-minute window to take a
puff.
before the next bus comes. So anyway, I'm not saying I wasn't smoking. Yes, I was, but $50 is a little steep.
How much does a pack of cigarettes cost?
Well, the Newports, I like to smoke the Newports. They're $10 a pack, but I don't smoke those anymore. I go to Massachusetts and I buy the bag of tobacco with the rolling papers, and I roll my own.
Oh.
See,
How much does that cost you?
The bag, it's about 36 ounces. It costs about $25, and then you get a carton of the rollies. So I buy about 3 boxes of rollies.
You sure you're rolling tobacco and not rolling something else?
I told the policeman that. I said, you can smoke the marijuana, because I see people smoking in the park, but you can't smoke cigarettes. He goes, yeah, I know.
All right, you're an SSI.
Yes, I have one.
That's all right. That's all right. I believe you.
All right, thank you.
Just relax. You seem like a real decent person, you know.
Well, try.
I understand that you don't have a lot of money. I know smoking can be addictive. I know people for years have been trying to give up smoking. I know you don't make much money and you're trying to cut down your expenses by traveling to Massachusetts, getting a bag and rolling them. Hope you're not rolling the other stuff, but if you are, that's your business. What do you think?
There is to be no drinking, no smoking, no nothing in the parks, loitering and everything, Your Honor. Kennedy Plaza is not designated a park, Your Honor. It's intermodal for transportation. And if they write Kennedy Plaza, I can't charge someone in Kennedy Plaza. I can, if they wrote Burnside Park, then that would be a different situation, Judge.
I mean, I could pay something. Oh, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said anything. I probably stuck my foot in my mouth, but please proceed.
Oh, now you want to run the court?
I don't really. I would really like to get this over with.
Now we got the director.
All right. Mr. Purvey, Inspector Quinn has pointed out rightly the charge that they have lodged against you is not sustainable. Inspector Quinn, who is the prosecuting officer, but is he is a fair prosecuting officer. And he has pointed out that the city cannot sustain that charge. So, to his credit, even as the prosecuting officer, he's going to make a motion that we dismiss this.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I won't be back here with another ticket.
Now remember now, you can't smoke in the park, okay?
Yes, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Okay,
Oh,
the matter
thank
is
you.
dismissed.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.